and today I'm going to draw you a rooster. Now, when I first started drawing roosters, they were very hard until I worked it out, by accident of course. Roosters are the shape of a U, so that's how we're going to draw this rooster. We're going to create a U and we're going to connect parts to it. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very easy, and today I'm still using my wide tip pen so you can see the detail, of course. So we're going to do a U. That's the U part, and we'll give it some bits on its head. I'll say these are called the crown, and I'll give it an eye and a beak and another U under its chin. Now the next part's pretty tricky. We're going to draw another U, but we aren't going to continue it all the way through. We're going to stop halfway, but we're going to go quite thin at the top and then come out wide, because we're going to create the neck part of the chicken or the rooster. Right, so we start from here and we come out and we come round and then we stop. On the other side we can create the feathers, so we'll just use 1, 2, like that, and again come around wide, and I'm going to make this part his leg. Right, so we're going to come down with 2 parts of his leg, and I'm going to draw this very carefully. Chicken, I got three fingers, I'm not too sure what they call, claws, and I'll draw the other leg at the back. This rooster's walking. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this rooster is a happy rooster, yes, a very proud rooster, and he's walking. There's one more thing I need to do. I need to put a wing in there. Come round. Okay, that's its wing. And if you use the same principle by using the U, you can draw as many roosters or chickens as you like. You can give them long beaks, more feathers. You can make them run. Maybe draw a barn in the background. You can have lots of fun. Right, so that is a rooster. And thank you very much for watching. See you.